Today we are going to be changing the wiper blades in a 2018 Volkswagen Golf alltrack. This should apply to a lot of different Volkswagen models as well around the same time period. So the first step is turn the ignition on. Then we turn the ignition back off and then press the wiper blade down. Alright, so we've got the wiper blades in the position to change them. It's pretty easy from here. Just kind of flip them up like this. And gone with for the front, got the 18-inch for the shorter one, 26-inch for the longer one. Got some Rain-X blades here. Just make sure that you've put the correct adapter on. And so I've already got the right adapter on according to their instructions. So we'll go with the 26-inch here first. So there's just a little button right here. Push that with your finger and just slide the old one out. It's a little stuck in there. There you go. And just slide the new one in. Same way the old one came out. That went pretty easy. These have these little protector strips on the blades, so you're just going to pull those off. And same thing for the other side. Push the button and slide it out. Dispose of that. Slide the new one in till it clicks. Alright, so the wipers have been replaced. We can set them back down. And when you put the ignition back on, they'll go back into their place like normal. So, thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. And please hit like and subscribe if it was. Thanks so much. Bye.